we've got another travel day today. It's a travel day and a travel night. We're travelling to Zhangjiajie. So these are the steps. So we've come from Yangshuo, we're just on the bus to Guilin. Then we've got to go from Guilin to Yangshuo. And then we have to get a taxi from Yangshuo to Liujiang, which is about 30 minutes. Oh, I like this song. And then from there, once we get there, we get a 11-hour sleeper train overnight to Zhangjiajie. That's granted it all goes to plan. We have to get our tickets first from the ticket office at Guilin. We're hoping we can get them all at once. Apparently if you book on trip.com, you get your reference number, you screenshot it, and you can just go you can just go to any ticket office and get your train tickets.
Gangnam Style.
Oh god, I'm having a breakdown. So we're hoping to get our train tickets. Hopefully it all goes smoothly. We'll see. This is just rubbing it in, honestly. Like, this just couldn't be more perfect. Ooh, it's very hot and very stressful. So you get to Guilin bus station and then you have to get on another bus to the train station. So you just have Google Translate open for the bus driver with Guilin train station on, and most people are going there. You'll see loads of people with suitcases and bags. Every time you go to the train station you have to get your tickets, so you get them on trip.com. You only get a reference number, you then have to actually go to the ticket office to get your ticket, and we've got to Guilin and luckily it's quite empty. So we're just getting all our tickets now for the rest of our time in China, basically just so we don't have to keep coming back to the ticket office. We can just keep going straight to our gate to get our train, just saves a bit of time and stress. But yeah, I'm not going to jinx it actually. Yeah, we'll see how we get on. And another thing I should mention, you do need your passport to get your tickets each time. We haven't had to show our visas yet. We've got like a little visa stamp in our passport, but that's not our actual visa because we've got a group visa, it's on a separate piece of paper. But I would just always have that handy too because you get people wanting to check. Here's Dean, let's go. So 3 buses done, first train of our longer journey. Yeah, so we're now at our final spot before we board our sleeper train for the night. We have to get a taxi from
the last place
to this here, which was about 20 to 30 minutes. Cost about, what was it,
55 yuan.
55 yuan. I think you can get the bus, but it's too much hassle and we just wanted to get here. The only other thing is, it's like, there's not really much to do here. It's a really small station in the middle of nowhere, and we came here with the idea to have our tea, and this is our tea. Some coconut bins, some crisps. So eat before you get here. This is,
my name is Billy Ho.
Billy Ho.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
She's been very nice, she's been talking to us.
Yes.
Keeping us company. Never felt so lost in my life.
Hey everyone that's watching us. The only white people with like fuck tons of Chinese, and we're all very amusing, aren't we? Yes.
Aren't we especially?
This is our accommodation for tonight. Bye bye, wherever we are. We've still become the tourist attractions, and there's these little kids that keep on following me around going hello. Don't leave us alone. They keep on running to our room saying hello, hello, hello. This is our hallway, and this is our toilet. Morning, just woke up. It's been fine. Broken sleep. I felt a little seasick. Well, got used to it after a while. Nearly there.
And that concludes our trip. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna get off the escalator now. See ya!